Okay, so we are doing an unboxing today for Lamarieskin. I'm so excited about this one. Okay, so in this box, in this beautifully displayed box, let me show you guys. So it's like all this cute stuff. So there is a whipped body scrub. Ooh. This one I know is an actual like physical body scrub. This one is an unbearable body butter. Ooh, he's not gonna be able to keep his hands off of me, honey. I know that's right. Skincare, maybe love, handcrafted body care. I think this is another body butter. Oh, it smells so good. Can't wait to use that. And then there's a eucalyptus and cotton body butter. Let me smell. Oh, you know what? I'm actually excited for this one. Hold on. Oh, I wish you guys could smell this. It's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It just smells. So what I'm gonna do, I have my water on right here in my sink, but I'm gonna just go ahead and kind of demonstrate them right here since you guys cannot come in the shower with me for obvious reasons. I'm gonna shake it up because I know it's been traveling. Oh my gosh. This smells like, obviously strawberries, but it's like that one ice cream bar that, what is it? The strawberry cheesecake or strawberry shortcake type of ice cream. Ooh. This little exfoliant right here, I can already tell is like getting all the dead skin off. I can't wait to wash it off so that I can see how soft my skin is. And we're rubbing and we're rubbing and we're rubbing. And I like how it's kind of like, it seems like, not like lotion, but it seems like it's moisturizing. It's moisturizing my skin at the same time. So it's not just taking away the dead skin and drying out my skin. Okay, I just rinsed off this body scrub. And let me tell you, when I tell you my skin is soft, people are gonna be shaking my hands and not wanting to let go. Well, touching on my body and not wanting to let go. Next up, we are gonna try the whipped body scrub. I'm assuming that this one is going to be like exfoliating. It smells really good as well. It's gonna be like exfoliating, but not as harsh as the physical one for people with probably like sensitive skin. And I actually do have sensitive skin, but we're doing this on my hands right now. So I don't think it really is gonna make that much of a difference. Okay, so I have like this much. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand. I already like wet my hand and everything. And we're just gonna rub that in, rub it in. Ooh, interesting. I can feel like some of the like exfoliating, but it's not like too much, and it does seem like it still is like moisturizing my skin as well. That's what I like about these products so far. It's like still moisturizing. Cause girl, you don't got time to be running around with cracked, dry skin. And very interesting. It's very soft. It's like, it's exactly like how my other one feels, like moisturized, soft, but it didn't have like, you know, the physical type of like the salt or sugar that's in this one that makes it a little more harsh. Interesting. But I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like, okay, now there you go. It's like unbearable body butter. And then this. So it looks whipped and everything, you know, it's not gonna fall out. Body butter. I think this one might be unscented, which is really good because I have sensitive skin usually. So we are gonna take a little bit of this, not even much, and put it on the hand where I put the physical exfoliant. Look how that just melts into my hand. feels like so moisturizing. It feels like I'm not gonna be dry all day. And I like that because some lotions are like body butters or whatever. You have to reapply like multiple times a day because you end up ashy again. And that's what we don't want. Look at that. It just melted into my hand and it's like, I don't even know how to describe it. It feels like body butter. That's the best way to describe it. It smells like maybe like a cashmere type of smell. I don't know. It smells good though. Okay, and we're gonna take a little bit of this one and put it on the back of the hand that had the whipped body exfoliant. Let me see, and see it's still melting into my skin. It looks literally like, if I had to describe what it looked like or like compare it to anything, it looks like you have like a warm piece of bread and you put the butter on it and it just melts into the bread. Like you can see, like, I'm not lying. It's just like melting into my skin. But it feels like so amazing. It feels like I am the warm bread. And this is my butter. I told y'all though, he's not gonna be able to keep his hands off me. And I don't care. That's what I like. Okay. So the next and final one that we are going to try out is this eucalyptus and cotton body butter. I'm actually really excited about this one because it smells actually really good. It smells so good. Like, usually eucalyptus is like super strong and smells like you're sick or Vicks or something like that, but this one actually smells very good. Like I can actually smell it. So we're actually gonna put this one on my arm right here because we already did both hands because I want you guys to like see how, I know it's about to melt into my skin again because the other two did. Okay, so let me see here. I'm gonna show you guys, rubbing it in. And once again, it is just melting into my skin. And I know it was like green, the body butter, but honestly, it melts right in. It doesn't stay green at all. I was kind of nervous about it. It's not staying green at all. Like it's melting in, no green. And it's like just moisturizing my skin. I can't wait to use this after I get out of the shower because I just know I'm gonna just lay in my bed and just feel so moisturized. I'm gonna definitely be using these after I get out the shower and just laying in bed to moisturize. And oh, this is perfect right now, actually. The winter time is always dry and it dries out my skin a whole lot. So I definitely will be using these later. That was all the products. Honest review, my favorite one, it was this one because it smells so good. I like how it looks. I like how it melts into my skin and it doesn't stay green. And I like how it feels like, well, all the body butters feel like, you know, they're moisturizing my skin a whole lot. And I like that. So I will have to say the eucalyptus one was my favorite overall. And out of the two body scrubs, I actually like this one a lot. Not only because it makes me smell like one of those strawberry shortcake ice cream bars. Maybe that as well because, honey, I told y'all he's not gonna keep his hands off me. But also because of, I like a physical exfoliant. I like a physical exfoliant because makes me feel like it's getting all the dead skin and stuff off. But I do like this one for more sensitive skin. If you want to use it like more on a daily type of use, because it's not as harsh. It doesn't have as big as crystals. so it's not gonna really too much dry out your skin or anything. But this one didn't dry out my skin either. So both of them I think are tied. But for the body butters, I like this one because of this scent and the look of it. I like that it's green, but it doesn't make my skin green. One thing that I wish the products had, only because I know I have sensitive skin, is that I wish they had like a ingredients label. I wish there was either like an ingredients label or an ingredients type of like card like this on the inside. Let me check. Make sure I'm not just popping shit for no reason. Okay. Yeah, I wish there was like an ingredients label or an ingredients card with it, because I know, like me, some people have sensitive skin. So that would be the only, I guess, critique or like my opinion on that. But overall, no complaints. It didn't break me out or anything, and it's still moisturizing my skin, as you can see. It's still like shiny and everything, so that's my honest opinion. Thanks for tuning in.